take care of our sticky Elementor header effect, and let's start with the basics. So basically, if you click on your menu section here, we go into extra options, and from here we have a toggle switch next to sticky menu, so you can just enable it and now it will be sticky. So let's update. Now bear in mind that every changes that you make here in the backend will only reflect in the front end, so you won't be able to preview this in the backend. So this is why we need a front end page as well. And as you can see, this is our menu, and now if we scroll down the page, our menu is now sticky.